Hi friends, welcome to my magical hands. Today we are going to see how to make paper bead bracelet. Let us see the video. Material list. This is the layout of the paper I used here to making paper beads. If you want to make your beads waterproof and looks shiny, finally apply a coat of transparent nail polish or shiners available in the market. Using this layout, I cut and take 6 number of green for cylindrical bead, 4 number of green and 4 number of white for cone bead. First, I take 2 green papers for cone bead and apply a glue on both papers. Then stick together. After that, I place a toothpick. Then I start to roll. Make sure your both papers are together. One end should be straight and flat. Another end should come as a cone. Adjust like this. Till the end you roll. In between make sure your papers are together. Continue your rolling till the end. When reaches the end, apply a glue on the both papers. Stick together. Then continue your rolling. Make sure your papers are together. Complete your rolling. Carefully take out the paper. Now your green cone bead is ready. Make another one like this. Next, take 2 white papers for cone bead and apply a glue on the both papers and stick together. Then place your toothpick and roll. Make sure your both papers are together. Here also your one end should be flat and straight. Another end should come as a cone. Till the end, continue your rolling. When reaches the end, you apply glue on both papers. Make sure your both papers are stick together. Take out carefully. Now your white cone bead is ready. Now we are going to make cylindrical bead. Take 1 green paper for cylindrical bead and apply a glue and then place toothpick and continue to roll till the end. Both ends should be straight. Continue your rolling process. When reaches the end, apply a glue and continue to roll till the end. Make sure the end is stick perfectly with bead. Take out carefully. Now your cylindrical bead is ready. Now I am ready with 2 white cone bead, 2 green cone bead, 6 cylindrical bead. Now I start to color the white cone bead using golden color paint. It should cover all the areas of the bead. It should not show any traces of white paper. Fully you cover the bead with golden color paint and allow to dry. I start to apply shiner to the all green beads. This process enhances the beauty of the bead and gives shiny appearance to the bead and makes the bead waterproof and increase the life of the bead jewelry. So you apply little amount of super glue on the down part of golden bead. Place the top of green cone bead on that and make another one like this. Take your elastic wire. Now I insert the middle big golden bead. Now I complete one side. So first insert cone bead like this way. Then one middle golden bead. Then insert one cylindrical bead. Again one gold bead. Again one cylindrical bead. Like this you insert each side 3 cylindrical bead. Alternatively you use one gold bead. Now I am inserting from the another end of the wire. Insert cone bead. Then one golden bead. Again one cylindrical bead. Again one cone bead. Again one golden bead. Like this way you insert 3 cylindrical beads. Finally join both ends with a normal knot. Make 2 to 3 knots. Make sure the knots are not coming out. Then the remaining wire you cut with scissor. After cutting the remaining wire, you pull like this. The knot will come inside the bead, so you can hide that knot area. It will give perfect finish to the bracelet. Any extra is there, you cut with scissor. Now your superb lovely paper bead bracelet is ready. I hope you all are like this video. If you all like this video, you like and share with your friends and family. Still you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell button to get the future video notification. Enjoy crafting, no tension. Bye bye.